Miss, can I ask you what is your favorite street food here in Pasig City?
Barbecue.
Okay, thank you. Boss, what is your favorite street food here in Pasig City, boss?
Ano diba, sir?
What is your favorite street food here in Pasig City?
Quick, isong barbecue, sir.
Okay, thank you, boss.
Ay,
What is your favorite street food here in Pasig City, boss? Fishball. Thank you. Guys, what are your favorite street foods here in Pasig City?
Barbecue. Barbecue and barbecue.
Okay, are you going to practice taekwondo later?
No. I am taekwondo, tennis. Table tennis.
Okay, thank you.
Foodies,
So-
Pasig Cities.
Guys, what is your favorite street food here in Pasig City?
Dalawa. Fries. Kikiam. Amulan.
Siomai, yours. Okay, thank you.
Barbecue.
Also, what are you buying right now?
Okay lang. Ano ko lang?
What are you buying right now?
Milk tea.
Milk tea. Okay, thank you. What's your favorite street food here in Pasig City, bro?
Manami diri ang barbecue ay the best gid man yang barbecue diri sa Pasig, diri sa plaza.
Okay.
Ano lang.
What is your favorite street food here in Pasig City, ma'am?
Ano sir, fishball, ang fries.
Okay, thank you. Bro, what is your favorite street food here in Pasig City?
siomay.
Street food.
Siomay.
Siomai. Okay, thank you. What is your message, your crush?
I love you.
Where is he from?
Kinudlay.
Okay.
Kamay ka mo ba?
Sige po, boy. Iwan. Iwan, bibi.
So we have more street foods here, chicken products.
Okay, ganit.
So we have here another street foods here. Lolo is selling balot here and other products like buko, eggs, peanuts, and some crackers here. Lo, balot la. Balot. So balot is or penoy is or are inside here. What is your favorite street food here in Pasig City?
My favorite street food is siomai.
Okay, thank you. Guys, what is your favorite street food here in Pasig City?
Ang the best ka street food sa Pasig, siomay gid ya. Siomay
Siomai.
rice.
What about you, bro?
Penoy.
Oh, what about you, bro?
Gabi sir ang mga inasal. Mga inasal. Inasal sa Pasig City. Okay dito.
What is your favorite street food here in Pasig City?
My favorite street food is actually we don't have favorite street food because we don't have money to eat.
Okay, what about the value meals or
Meals. I'm on a diet, so I don't have any idea.
okay, thank you.
Thank you.
What is your favorite street food here in Pasig City, sis?
Ang pinaka the best na street food diri sa Pasig is barbecue.
Okay,
Banana cake.
thank you.
So guys, kung gusto nyo magpakalkat lang kami sa Pasig.
Thank you. So bro, what is your favorite street food here in Pasig City?
Street food? Ano guro? Ano naman street food, di ba? Like ang sa streets lang.
Hmm.
Ang ano guro, ang mga kung ano na makita lang mo. Ano guro, ang mga Oreo balls na lang. Ang mga Oreo balls lang. May sulod-sulod na nga Oreo. Muna na guro.
Okay, thank you. What is your favorite street food here in Pasig City, sis? What is your favorite street food here in Pasig City, ma'am?
Ang favorite street food ko, sir, are nag-fishball sa casa, tapos kikiam, siomai, sir.
Okay, thank you. So one of the street food here, guys, is here the mais or maize. The boiled one and the cooked one, grilled. So what is your favorite street food here in Pasig City, bro?
Rice and barbecue.
Okay, thank you. So we have here another street food here, barbecue, banana pew, and kamote. So bro, what is your favorite street food here in Pasig City?
Actually, sir, sa mga tamang ligid sa Pasig City, mga street food, ang best kasi sa mga
So what about you, sis? So we have another street foods here, guys. Chicken, fried chicken. So how much is this, bro? 15 pesos. And this one? 20. So how long you been selling here, bro? How long? How many months? Years. So bro, it was already selling here for almost 3 years already. You also sell rice, bro, right? Rice, you also sell rice. Thank you. So we have here another street food, the Indian mangoes. So bro, what is your favorite street food here in Pasig City?
Kikiam.
Kikiam. What about you, bro?
Siomai.
That's all. Okay. So guys, what is your favorite street food here in Pasig City?
Siomai. Oreo. Except sa siomai, I think kikiam. Kikiam malaki.
So what about you, sis?
Ako? Siomai.
Siomai. Yeah, okay, thank you. So here are more of the street foods here, guys. May is the chicken feet or Adidas. One of the street foods here, guys. So I've never seen any balot vendor yet, or balot penoy, because it's still very early, and balot vendors will be selling later this afternoon or at sunset until dawn or until evening. So sis, what is the street food that is mostly bought by customers? So the seller here tells us the most that siomai is usually the favorite of customers here. Siomai. What is your favorite street food here in Pasig City?
Maybe siomai because it's
Siomai.
because it has spices. That's all.
Okay. Thank you. So this is our vlog for today, guys, and the seller here beside the road told us that siomai is the usually more customers buy siomai here. And hope you enjoy this vlog, guys, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys, and see you on our next vlog.